you know, $4.95 in shipping. So let's see what we got here for sharp. Whoa, that's actually sharper than I thought it was going to be. Just like that. Okay, that's pretty smooth. It's reasonably quiet. Let's do just a little touch up. This is actually becoming one of my favorites, and it's the biggest one. It's called Emergency, I think it's called Emergency Survival Sharpen Fire. And you want this stick over there? All right, it's got the regular sharpener here, the open face. It's got the V-notch, okay. This one is pretty cool because it's got a storage cavity. Oh, that's got something in it. And actually it's steel wool, okay, because they claim you can make a fire with steel wool. I've seen it done with batteries. I would not, I mean, if you got all this time and all this stuff and all these things you can put together, maybe you use a 9-volt battery in this. I prefer other methods, but that's pretty cool. I don't even know. I've never done this before ever. I'm going to try it, and I'm just going to spark into it and see what happens. So let's see I have no idea. I've never done this before. Oops, and the wind is raising Cain with us again. So we'll put that there like that. Oops, don't want to do that. That's putting it back together like this. Take my Sharpen fire. It is burning, and it might start grass on fire. Now she's out. Blow on her. I can't imagine steel wool making a flame. We'll just do it one more time. Right now I'm just kind of playing, just to see, I guess, will it actually do something valuable? That would actually get some grass on fire. I'm a little bit amazed that it's hot. It's actually burning down in there. You won't see any flames, but it is burning. Ta-da! Ha ha ha! I just got fooled. Egg on my face? Yeah. I didn't think that would work. I really didn't. The cameraman says blow on it, so I actually had a little bit of air, and by gosh, down inside it got burning pretty good. Then you wrap it up in a piece of paper, toilet paper or something like that. Maybe it's some of this cheatgrass leaves, some pine cone material, pine cones, or pine needles, things like that. That would be cool. So I just got a surprise, and it was a pleasant one. That actually kind of worked. So, I mean, there goes the whole pile. How funny. You goofy dog. See, one piece of wood isn't enough. 2 pieces of wood, not enough. 3, 4 pieces of wood, not enough. Wood out of the fire pit, not quite enough. He's got to have a lot of wood to chew on. Okay, well, anyway, let's check this out. That's the fire starter. It's got a whistle in it. Okay. So, hey, I'm over here, I need help, you know, thing. So to sharpen with it would be just like this. I actually like this one because of the size of it. We made a big one so if you got gloves on, you can handle the sharpener with gloves on. We made it green so it's easy to find when you're out somewhere and you drop it at night. I've shined a light on this. It doesn't glow, but I'll tell you what, it's very bright. When you shine a light on that green, you actually kind of go, whoa, that's hard on the eyes. All right, so it'd be just like this. I'll actually roll it in my fingers. I go out and I come back like that. I go out to the tip of the blade, come back. Same thing here. Now I set it down a little tiny bit more when I head towards the point of the blade, and I'm watching the blade right now, and I watch the shine on the blade, and I can match that bevel perfectly and by the shine. So just like this, just like that, like this, like that. Touch it kind of light, don't press too hard, let it work, don't make it work. Flip the knife every pass. Polish the wire edge off the blade, and you really got to touch that thing light. So let's see. That bites. So this is called the Survival Sharpen Fire. So Survival whistle. It's got the storage cavity for fish hooks, fish line, matches, toothpicks, maybe medication. We are in Colorado, you know. Okay, and it's pretty cool. It's kind of big. It's easy to find, probably harder to lose, easier to use if you got gloves on. Survival sharpened fire. So let's see now what we got, since burned up my other piece of paper. You know, actually Reader's Digest makes pretty nice paper for slicing. So that's pretty cool. Okay, that's actually pretty darn sharp, clear out to the tip. It was pretty sharp to start with, but it is sharper now. It's quieter. You can really hear, and man, I'll tell you that that bites. And I'm not going to scrape it too hard because it's taking the fingernail right off. So that's how you sharpen with it, just like this. You got a 90-degree corner. You got the blade. You match the bevel, approximately 11 degrees, 10, 11, 12, anywhere in there. Tip the knife a little bit, start brushing. Do it again on this side. Oops, I don't hang on to this very tight. You can see when I drop it. Just like that, just like this. The other day I was looking on my website and the guy says, who are you trying to fool, fraud? You can't sharpen a knife with that. It's just for honing and polishing. Well, he has not looked at my videos because I sharpen stuff all the time that had no edge on it. From dull to sharp, I make knives out of hacksaw blades. So how are you gonna fake sharpening if you do a hacksaw blade? Okay, the back of the hacksaw blade is a 90-degree flat, flat, flat. Okay, so come on, guy, if you watch this one too, you might think you're funny, you might think you're cute, you might think that you're smart, you might think, oh, I'll make a dumbass comment and everybody's gonna love me. Well, you know what, a dumbass is a dumbass, and that's all there is to it, and it doesn't make any difference what you do, but a dumbass is just gonna be a dumbass. All right, so anyway, check out the Sharpeners. Thanks for watching anyway. This